right, we're at CES 2019 at the FoldiMate booth, and we are here with Debbie, who's going to tell us about FoldiMate.
Okay, so FoldiMate is a robotic laundry folder, and it folds all your shirts, your medium-sized towels and pants from age 6 to extra large, and it's really simple to use so that anybody in your family can fold the laundry, even your kids. You just clip the items in just like that. That's it.
Wow. And it just comes out on the bottom.
It comes out at the bottom. When the tray is full at the bottom, it will automatically eject the items. However, if you're in the middle of your folding and you want to inject them, so you just press the button and they'll eject them in this nice pile. I'll show you. Let's just wait for that to go in. Like that. We actually redesigned it from last year. We made it much simpler to use. Last year, you had to move these clips in and out for the size, and now it's really simple. You don't have to do anything. And also, we redesigned it because we're in touch with our fans constantly, getting feedback from them, and many of them told us that they didn't want to put it in their laundry room, either just because it was inconvenient or they didn't have room. They would prefer to put it in their bedroom, so it's right next to their closet. So in actual fact, the whole thing, let me just take this out like this. These are the folded items. If you could actually just push it in like that. We have covers for here, and then it's just a nice chic appliance to have in your bedroom.
Very cool. And when is this going to be available?
So it's not final yet. We would like to start shipping the first units to the US at the end of 2019. That's the target, but like I said, it's not final.
What's the suggested retail price?
So again, also not final. We would like to keep it $1,000+, something like that.
Cool, very useful, and I can see this in a lot of homes in the near future.
Thank you very much, and thank you for visiting us.